Üçler Makine, which has been operating since 1989, produces machine components and complex machines according to the demands of the customers by applying design, machining, welding, painting, and assembly processes perfectly in high quality. Üçler Makine invests in knowledge, technology, and human resources by anticipating customer needs and becomes a pioneer in its industry. Üçler Makine, acting with the consciousness that firstly, the satisfaction of its employees is required to ensure customer satisfaction, works with zero defect and just-in-time production, continuous improvement, high technology use. Üçler Makine, which meets customer demands not only with the parts production service but also with the design and assembly works, provides confidence with their solution-oriented strategy. Since 2007, Üçler Makine has been exporting to countries which have high-quality expectations such as France, Switzerland, and Germany. Üçler Makine, which supplies products to the leading companies of Turkey and international industry, has been serving with ISO 9001 Quality Management System certificate since 2003. Üçler Makine is one of the rare companies which has the authority to manufacture the welded railway vehicles and components in Turkey. Üçler Makine proves its expertise in this area with ISO EN 15085-2 certificate. Üçler Makine meets the customer's design and engineering needs with highly experienced and expert staff. In addition to having a very flexible machining capacity that can produce small, medium, and large pieces under a single roof, Üçler Makine can produce thousands of pieces, each one of which can be a different piece in the same perfection as needed without the requirement of lot size from the customers. Üçler Makine helps its customers to solve even the most challenging welding demands by combining its expertise in welding experience with the integration of stainless steel and aluminum knowledge. Üçler Makine successfully applies the inert gas welding, argon arc welding, and electric arc welding techniques with high-quality welding equipment. Üçler Makine performs painting services with professional painting techniques and equipment in the best way. Üçler Makine meets customers' special orders as turnkey projects with assembly service. Having been preferred by the leading companies of manufacturing sector for many years, Üçler Makine continues to supply parts with a worldwide understanding with its designs which make a difference in the quality of the products and rich on-time delivery assurance.